This is a particularly dangerous situation.
My WTS train goes.
The news.
My foot!
Osage County, northwestern Warren County, southwestern Pike County, and northeastern Missouri, northern Massachusetts County, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:36 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Mexico to Holt Summit, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Fulton, Mexico, and Avos around 1:40 p.m. Martinsburg, Williamsburg, and Shamrock around 1:50 p.m. Wellsville and Chimoy around 1:55 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Montgomery City, Mineola, New Flores, Buell, and Big Spring. This includes Interstate 70 in Missouri between exits 148 and 183. This also includes Deutsheim Historic Site and Graham Cave State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Northeastern Aldrin County, Montgomery County, northwestern Franklin County, northeastern Osage County, Warren County, Pike County, and northeastern Missouri, Gasconade County, until 3 p.m. At 2:12 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Perry to near Farber to near Mineola to near Lynn, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Vandalia, Montgomery City, New Flores, Buell, and Big Spring around 2:15 p.m. Bellflower around 2:20 p.m. Herman, Jonesburg, Curryville, New Hartford, Thurman, Mount Sterling around 2:25 p.m. Swiss around 2:30 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Warrenton, Bowling Green, Hawk Point, Drake, Truesdale, Torrance, Wright City, New Haven, Davis, Innsbruck, Veolia, Trello, and Troy. This includes Interstate 70 in Missouri between exits 170 and 200. This also includes Deutsheim Historic Site and Quiver River State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Six 7 remains in effect
Bruh.
until 7 p.m.
Bitch.
The following county. A thunderstorm. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging wind in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions. Remains in effect until 7 p.m. and now includes the following county: Fayette, Illinois. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Stay tuned to... The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Illinois, St. Charles County, Lincoln County, Franklin County, northwestern St. Louis County, southeastern Warren County, central Pike County, and northeastern Missouri, central Gasconade County, until 3:30 p.m. 2:46 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Torrance to 6 miles southwest of Eolia to near Wright City to near Trello to near Owensville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. At 2:40 p.m., a wind gust of 68 miles per hour was measured in Warrenton. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expects considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Woodsville, Troy, Warrenton, Bowling Green, Wright City, Owensville, New Haven, Moscow Mills, Gerald, and Beavis around 2:50 p.m. Washington, Fountain and Lakes, and Beaufort around 2:55 p.m. Lake St. Louis, St. Paul, New Melle, Josephville, King of Rocks, and Dutzville around 3 p.m. O'Fallon, Jardine Prairie, Union, Ellsbury, Winfield, Clarksville, and Augusta around 3:05 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include St. Peter's, Weldon Spring, Cotlerville, Villa Ridge, Gray Summit, Defiance, St. Charles, Chesterfield, Wildwood, Pacific, St. Clair, Spirit of St. Louis Airport, Hardin, Parkway, Weldon Spring Heights, Bellevue, Maryland.
Yep.
St. Louis County until 4 p.m. At 3:21 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bellevue to near St. Peter's to near Defiance to Parkway, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. At 3:15 p.m., tree damage was reported in St. Paul, Missouri. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expects considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near St. Charles, St. Peter's, Chesterfield, Wildwood, Bowen, Maryland Heights, Ridgeton, Eureka, Ellisville, and Pacific around 3:25 p.m. Florissant, Hazelwood, Manchester, Creve Coeur, Town and Country, Lambert, St. Louis International Airport, Winchester, Grafton, and Champ around 3:30 p.m. Overland, St. Anne, Berkeley, De Pere, Valley Park, Woodson Terrace, Frontenac, Burns Mill, Cedar Hill, and High Ridge around 3:35 p.m. University City, Kirkwood, Ferguson, Clayton, Richmond Heights, Ladue, Sunset Hills, Brentwood, Olivet, and Severe.
Oh. Gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. Widespread wind damage reported across northern St. Charles County. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expects considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Belleville, Granite City, Alton, East St. Louis, Collinsville, Edwardsville, Glen Carbon, Lebanon, Freeburg, Scott Air Force Base, and Prairie Ton around 4:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Mascoutah, New Athens, Carpenter, New Beta, St. Jacob, Worden, Marine, Highland, Marissa, and Alhambra. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Illinois between exits 21 and 30. Interstate 55 in Illinois between exits 23 and 41. Interstate 60 Alhambra. This includes the Interstate 44 between exits 72 and 277. Abbreviated National Weather Service, NOAA Weather Radio, all have equipment.
Oh my God, no way.
The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Clinton County, Southern Vaughn County, Monroe County in southwestern Illinois, Madison County in southwestern Illinois, western Washington County, Randolph County in southwestern Illinois, St. Clair County in southwestern Illinois, southeastern Jefferson County, northern St. Genevieve County in southeastern Missouri until 5 p.m. At 4:13 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Befalto to near Collinsville to 9 miles north of Bloomsdale, moving east at 40 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for many areas in Madison, St. Clair, and Monroe counties in Illinois. Expected hazards include 80 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. At 3:54 p.m. a wind gust of 80 miles per hour was recorded at Lambert International Airport. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. p.m. Highland, New Baden, Trenton, New Athens, and Alhambra around 4:30 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Aviston, Baldwin, Marissa, St. Rose, Albers, New Memphis, Breeze, Germantown, Pocahontas, Jamestown, and Sparta. This includes the following high...
2-minute warning.
County, eastern Madison County in southwestern Illinois, southern Fayette County, Washington County, Randolph County in southwestern Illinois, eastern St. Clair. Remember, a severe thunderstorm in southeastern Missouri until 5:45 p.m. At 4:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Alhambra to Albers to near Bremen, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. The temperature was 80. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Breeze, Sparta, Steelerville, Aviston, Oakville, St. Rose, Germantown, portions of central, northeast, and around 4:55 p.m. Greenville, Carlisle, Nashville, Beaver Creek, north at 13 miles an hour. The pressure with these severe thunderstorms include Timalco, Centralia, Wamak, Irvington, Mulberry Grove, Shaddock, Boulder, Centralia, St. Louisville, Central City, Ashley, Odin, Pawtucket, Fairman, Salem, and Chauvenir. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Illinois between exits 24 and 68. Interstate 55 in Illinois near exit 37. Interstate 57 in Illinois between exits 109 and 100. Interstate 64 in Illinois between exits 34 and 61.